Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a question that has puzzled shoppers for ages. How can you tell if a piece of fruit is perfectly ripe? We've all been there. You bring home a beautiful looking melon or a bag of peaches, only to find they're either rock hard or disappointingly bland. Well, fear not. I'm going to share some universal tips and tricks that will turn you into a fruit picking pro, so you can enjoy peak flavor every single time. Let's start with the most obvious clue: color. For many fruits, color is a fantastic indicator of ripeness. Think about bananas turning from green to a vibrant yellow, or strawberries shifting from pale white to a deep, luscious red. Generally, you want to look for a rich, uniform color across the entire fruit. If you see green spots on a fruit that should be red or yellow, it probably needed a little more time on the plant. However, be aware that color isn't always the whole story. Some fruits, like certain varieties of pears or avocados, don't change color dramatically as they ripen. So, while color is a great starting point, we need to use our other senses too. Next up, let's talk about touch. Gently, and I mean gently, press the fruit with your thumb or the palm of your hand. A ripe fruit should have a little bit of give. It shouldn't be mushy, but it shouldn't be as hard as a rock either. Think of fruits like peaches, plums, kiwis, and avocados. If they feel firm but yield slightly to pressure, they're likely ready to eat. For berries, you don't want to press them, but you can gently shake the container. If they move freely and don't stick together in a mushy clump, that's a good sign. For melons like cantaloupe or honeydew, you can press the end opposite the stem. If it's slightly soft, you're in business. Remember to be considerate in the grocery store. No one wants to buy a bruised piece of fruit. Now for my favorite and perhaps the most reliable method, the smell test. A ripe fruit should smell like, well, fruit. It should have a sweet, fragrant aroma that makes your mouth water. Bring the fruit up to your nose, specifically near the stem end, and take a good sniff. If a pineapple smells sweet and tropical, it's ready. If a peach has that classic, perfumed, peachy scent, it's good to go. If you can't smell anything at all, it's probably not ripe yet. This trick works wonders for melons, mangoes, and most stone fruits. A lack of scent almost always means a lack of flavor, so don't be shy. Give that fruit a sniff. Let's also consider weight. Pick up the fruits of roughly the same size. The one that feels heavier for its size is usually the juicier, and therefore riper, option. This is because as the fruit ripens, its sugar and water content increases, making it denser and heavier. This is a fantastic trick for citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, as well as for watermelons and cantaloupes. If you're deciding between two similar looking melons, the heavier one will almost always be the sweeter and more delicious choice. It's a simple comparison that can make a huge difference. Finally, let's talk about the stem. The condition of the stem area can tell you a lot. For many fruits, like melons, a dry and slightly shriveled stem indicates it detached from the vine naturally when it was ripe. If the stem is still green and firmly attached, it might have been picked up early. For fruits like cherries and grapes, look for stems that are still fresh and pliable, not dried out and brittle. With pineapples, a good trick is to try and gently pull one of the inner leaves from the crown. If it comes out with just a little bit of resistance, the pineapple is likely ripe. If it's too hard to pull, it needs more time. So, to recap, look for deep, even color. Feel for a slight give under gentle pressure. Smell for a sweet, fragrant aroma. Choose the fruit that feels heaviest for its size. And finally, check the stem. By combining these 5 senses, sight, touch, smell, and even a sense of weight, you'll be able to pick out perfectly ripe, delicious fruit every single time. No more guessing games, just pure, flavorful enjoyment. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen hacks. See you next time.